see my dangly thing. It keeps coming in front of the camera. So I'm just going to the shop now to get the bits that we need for it. This is the first like little drive with me that I've done, so I just thought I'd add a little clip in here and see if it works well. Obviously I'm having to do the clips on my phone because my camera's way too big to put in my car like for a drive with me, and I've not got a vlogging camera because I just haven't. I'll sing along for you. Oh gosh, I just hope town's not hectic. In my town it gets so busy. No matter when or what day it is, it just gets so busy with traffic. The traffic is horrendous, and we've got so many roadworks around here at the minute. It's already, what time is it? It's already 3:30. It's really dull day today. The sky is so grey. I don't know if you can hear it either. The wind is awful. It's been so bad these past 2 weeks. I came the opposite way to what I wanted to come. Yeah, we're literally just gonna have to cut through now. Great. I hate coming out of junctions. Ugh. It's gonna go really dark in a minute because we're gonna go underneath. I want to park near the door. Oh, it ain't gone that dark, to be fair. I want to park near the door because I'm a lazy arse. Where are you going? Right, I'm gonna park here. Perfect. Big parking space. Right. So I'm at the shop now. I'm gonna go and see what I can find and see what bits we can grab.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we eat. That's good.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm joined with Sam again. Say hi.
Hi.
In today's video we are doing the real brand versus fake brand challenge. So we've got to decide which is real and which is fake, and we've got our lovely assistant Tegan helping us along the way. So yeah, without further ado, you would have seen the vlog clips before this, so let's just get on with it. So we are going to be wearing these blindfolds. I've got this lovely giraffe one and Sam's got this
lovely plain white one.
So we're going to be wearing these and Tegan is going to be giving us our first item. Put your blindfold on. Oh god, I'll do it first. So
Do we need a spoon?
No, this is a drink, babe. Your turn. Where's your hand?
Water.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Any gusto?
Oh god. You got it?
No. The first one's fake and the second one was real.
Yeah, I think the same. Tegan?
You're both right.
Yay! Point for both of us.
Sounds like crisps.
Sounds like Pringles. Right, go.
gusto.
Tastes well nice.
Just that lamb's in there.
Oh. I know.
I'm gonna go ahead and say the first one was real and the second one was fake.
Yeah, I think the same thing. Oh god, the second one was horrible.
You both right.
We were right.
Again.
Another point for us.
No, obvious is the difference.
I would eat them if I was hungry though.
I think when you put
I
them,
like both of them, but you can tell you one's real.
when you're putting them next to each other is when you can really tell. You know when people are like, oh, it's exactly the same, but it's clearly not when you have them next to each other. I already know. I'm so clever. Give me a few then.
Okay.
Do you know?
That's really hard though.
Oh,
How many have you had?
first ones I think were real.
Yeah.
You were both right again.
Yay. Why is this so easy?
They taste so different.
What do you think is going to be the hardest?
Cereal.
Do you? Maybe.
Or energy drink.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe energy drink. Go on then, Sam.
Do your
Use your
first.
left hand.
I don't want to get milk everywhere.
It's Slurper.
They're good. Have you just had the biggest mouthful ever?
You have
Whoa.
two.
Wow.
That one. They were sound. Pass me the ball over because I can't find it.
Golden nuggets are like one of my favourite cereals, so I think I know which one's which.
These ones are real. Number 2.
I think the second one was real and the first one was fake.
Sounds the same.
Yes, then. The second ones were just a bit softer, weren't they?
You were both right again.
Yay! Yeah, so really nice.
I think you get one wrong, so
We got them all right so far though, haven't we?
that was the hardest one, but until
I did try and get things that we don't normally eat.
the second one was just like a lot softer, so it was obvious. It was just a bit harder one in the first time. But it was nice.
I like the cereals. I think I'd eat either.
I think for the sake of like almost £3, you just get the other one, yeah. Buttons.
They taste well nice. I know the difference.
Hey?
I know the difference.
I think the second one was the real ones.
Me too. That's exactly what I thought. We were right.
Yeah,
Woo.
again.
To be fair, you know when I had the first one, I thought, oh, this can be quite hard.
Yeah, I know,
I
because it was
thought
really
them.
nice. But you can tell what Cadbury's, can't you?
Yeah, true. Is it? Oh,
They're nice.
I can't see, can I? With blindfold. Lol.
Yeah, I think the first ones are real.
Yeah, they were, yeah.
But these are still really nice.
Yeah, nice.
Oh god.
Oh.
Ready?
No.
Ugh. Ugh.
Horrible.
That was disgusting.
Don't feed your kids them if they're not real ones.
Ugh.
I'm assuming they were Asda's own brand.
Oh my god, they were so bad. I think the second was real and the first was fake.
I think the same.
Yeah, you both right again.
Woo!
Don't feed your kids Asda Nemo yogurts.
Everyone's going to think that we're cheating on this,
We
you
are.
know. We're really not. That tastes really nice.
See, I'm not a big Red Bull fan anyway, so I don't really know.
Ugh. Ugh. Oh my god, that tastes disgusting.
I really hope this is Red Bull. I told you energy drink would be the hardest.
I'm gonna say the second one's real and the first one's fake.
What's something?
Sam, what do you think?
I think the opposite.
Sam's right.
Oh,
Yes!
so what? So the first one was real?
Real.
Yeah.
And I like that. I don't like it though.
How does it feel to be wrong?
What are you on about?
Because I'm right, I'm winning now.
Yeah, I know. Oh, chocolate milk.
Whoa, I'm a fun man.
Sorry.
Smells like brownies. Smell it. Where are you? Just smell it, it smells like brownies.
Yeah, it does actually. Like that one.
Did you drink it really slow? Drink it slow to really taste flavour.
I can taste it, it's really thick.
Yeah, but I'm a proper food contour. I feel like sort of on my lips.
Oh my god.
Quite hard on that, I can't say. I definitely know.
I think the second one's real.
I think the first one because it was nicer.
Sam's right.
Yes!
God's sake!
That's because you're a loser.
I think they were both nice though.
No.
You're not?
I think the first one was well better. The second one tastes like
The
water.
first one was really, really thick. That's what made me think it was...
Not a milkshake.
I don't know. Oh. No. I don't like that.
Tastes like cooking chocolate.
It tastes disgusting.
I wouldn't say disgusting, like chocolate, it's nice.
It's not. I'd only eat that if I was desperate. And I'm not desperate right now. That's proper chocolate. Yeah, this one's real. The
Yeah.
first one was fake.
You both right.
Yay!
So I win.
Yeah.
The Pringles were horrific,
Hey?
weren't they? The fake Pringles.
Yeah, miles away, yeah. I was looking at myself.
I can tell. The yogurt.
It was horrible.
The yogurt was disgusting. Yeah, but you could tell the difference straight away with that. I think if I had to say the hardest one, I think I'd say the energy drink.
See, I thought all of it was really easy because, oh no, my food.
I think the only thing I would never buy again would be the chocolate. I hated that chocolate. You'd eat it, wouldn't you? Come on, you have to pick one thing. What would it be that you wouldn't buy?
The yogurt.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Yeah, the yogurt's disgusting. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe down below if you would like to see more videos from us. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!